Welcome to one of Ethiopia's most thrilling natural habitats, a lake where crocodiles patrol the waters, eagles soar above, and history whispers from the mountains. Today, we will explore wildlife, discover hidden facts about the land, and learn the stories of the people who once called these mountains home. This lake is home to the Nile crocodile, one of Africa's most powerful predators, measuring up to 5 meters long. These crocodiles have ruled these waters for centuries, and above them, the African fish eagle glides gracefully, scanning the lake for its next meal. So we are here. I think those are the lakes that we are going to. And my sister is flying. Right? Right? Okay. Come with us as we continue to explore this beautiful, majestic landscape and natural gift. Crocodiles and eagles often share the same habitat, a predator and a hunter coexisting in a perfect balance. These lakes also host fish and aquatic plants, forming a thriving ecosystem where every species plays a role. Watching crocodiles move slowly yet deliberately is a lesson in patience and survival.
Oh, that's disgusting. Above the lake, on the steep mountain slopes, there once lived a resilient tribal community. For generations, they cultivated the land, coexisted with the wildlife, and respected the natural balance. Today, they are no longer allowed to reside here due to the conservation rules, but their legacy lives on. While doing the boat trip, one thing you will observe is the eagles, the female and the male, as a partner. They stand and observe the lake for the next hunt, absorb the sun, and just standing there, and they never apart or depart. The lake has been flooded quite a while, so it took over certain cafeteria areas, and you will observe while going deep into the lake. The lake is also part of a complex ecosystem. Plants are interconnected, supporting fish and small wildlife. The water reflects the sky like a mirror. Even the tiniest ripple tells a story of the life beneath, under the surface. Some plants provide shelter for fish, which in turn becomes food for the eagles and crocodiles. And the local birds, insects, and small mammals all contribute to the lake's delicate balance. Although the tribe no longer lives here, their respect for nature still resonates. They understand the importance of coexisting with predators like crocodiles and birds of prey. Conservation today continues that legacy, protecting both wildlife and historical landscapes. Something that you will also hear from the locals and also from your tour company. Everyone is taking care of the environment much better than we see in the cities. Crocodile species in this lake are among the largest in Ethiopia and are carefully monitored for conservation. Eagles nesting nearby ensure a healthy fish population, showing how predator-prey relationships maintain ecosystem balance. This lake is a reminder of nature's power, beauty, and balance. From crocodiles and eagles to hidden fish and interwoven plants, and though we every part of this ecosystem on this mountain, the stories, tradition, and wisdom of the past remain alive in every ripple and shadow of the lake. Our tour company also was explaining and giving examples from different tour experiences. Getting close to the crocodiles can be risky, but as long as you move steady and calm and don't disturb the ecosystem, throwing food or trying to make loud noises might disturb the ecosystem. So something to consider every time you go close to nature and experience the true beauty and power. Keep that in mind. If you enjoyed this adventure, let us know in the comments, maybe something you might like to do next time. And join us on the next journey, where we will explore the music, traditions, and daily life of the Dorze tribe in the Ethiopian mountains. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed with us. See you next time.